My name is Harry Jan Shikweni. I live in Mandlakazi village at Mwamitwa. I was working with a truck. I was a welder working with a truck. So while we were working there, I was putting the roof on the truck because I was building the truck structure. While we were working, hit the structure with a forklift. That's the structure falling into. When I come back from Joburg to come and sit here, you see that boy there? It's my brother's child. He born with disability. So always I used to sit with him to search his mind. So this boy is free. I can also be free. I learn from him. Then I quick recover and adjust. RMA, they help us a lot because they take us to the school, let me say, to the school of agriculture. First, they phone us to tell us about there's something that they want to keep us busy. We did the three months. They call us again. They tell us about electricity. There we have been there for a year. They give us a JoJo tank and a sort of pipe, a dripping pipe. It was 100-meter pipes, I remember. Then I start working here in my backyard. Every picture, every now and then, every step I send to Kumutsu. So one day I asked, how can you help me? They say, what do you want? I say, I want the water. My problem is the water. If I can go water, I can do more than what I do. So they tell me to go and look for a quotation somewhere where I can get a bowl. I go to the town, I got a quotation, I send them the quotation. Then one day they call me, they say, your request has been approved. They pay the person who was supposed to come and drill the water. Then he came and drilled the water. They drilled the water, I found the water. The water is right, nice, thanks for that. After that, I start with my garden. That's one of the most people I live with them. My custom are the neighboring villages now. But so far, I'm selling. Every day I'm selling about 10, 15. Yes, I still have a long way to go. I have a dream about this family because when I'm busy, a lot of people are coming. They say, oh, where did you learn this? That is, they are encouraging me, you see. My dream is to have a big place, a fence, a place that is fenced with a buggy, maybe with a tractor. Yeah, because always I used to hire a tractor. Every time when I hire a tractor. Yes.